Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be making these Keto Beaver Tails. If you're from Canada, then you probably already know what these are. It's basically just fried dough with toppings on it that you can get at the fair, and other places they'll call it elephant ears or funnel cakes. But the beaver tail is like slightly thicker, and it's just like a softer dough, and it's overall just my favorite version of it. So I knew I had to make a keto version. I really hope you guys like this recipe. It's pretty easy to make. All you have to do is basically fry it. That's the hardest part, which again is not very hard. They're quick to make as well. They're a great breakfast because they're actually high in protein. And yeah, overall just a really great snack. So as always, if you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and let's get started.